So in this video we're looking at 3 CPR indicated down trending stock. Okay, so I'm going to start by market cap. Okay, first is PFE. What is PFE? So we are on a monthly time frame, daily CPR. PE. Okay, you see a sell signal here, it's going down, 3 CPR down. Okay, that's all good. Next one is EOG, charter communication, EOG. Let's look at EOG. Okay, 3 CPR down, but the stock has crossed up. Okay, you want to ignore this. Okay, HUM. Okay, Himana is also sell signal. It's a good one to go negative. Okay, Himana, KMB. KMB. This is not good. Okay, so I would suggest HUM and PFE. HUM, PFE. Let's look at EOG again. No, HUM and PFE. Let's look at CHTR. CHTR. Okay, CHTR is very good. Okay, 3 CPR down, all negative. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. If you need any of the indicators, please let me know. Thank you.